Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about male reproductive system. Let's start to read the male reproductive system. Let's start now. Left side view of the male reproductive system. We start here. The main reproductive parts of the male is penis. This part is called penis, and the end part of the duct is called urethra. And here are present pubic bone, and here are present urinary bladder. Upper side the urinary bladder ureter is present. एक मिनट बाबा थोड़ी सी and here is the structure present seminal vesicle, and these below the urinary bladder these part are called Cooper's glands, and rectum is here present, and anus epididymis, and these egg like structure is called testes, and the covered skin area is called scrotum. Look at these structures and try to understand the whole internal structures, the external structure of the male reproductive system. Now we read about these parts and try to understand the male reproductive system in human. The male reproductive system. The various parts of a human male reproductive system are shown below 17.2. Note that the reproductive system is closely associated with the urinary system in males. Look at these diagrams and front view of the male reproductive system. Like these scrotum, testes, here are penis present, endpoint ureter, spermatic cord, here are spermatic cord present, sperm duct, here are sperm duct present which are open into the testes, urinary bladder, ureter, kidney here is present, and two duct are called ureter, seminal vesicle here are present, prostate gland, Cooper's glands. Now we discuss about the first of all testes. There are two ovoid or egg-shaped testes. Each testis produce sperms. The main functions of the testes is produce sperms. Each testis also produced male sex hormones such as testosterone. Testes also produced male hormone testosterone. The male hormones are responsible for the development and maintenance of the secondary sexual characteristics in males. You will learn more about secondary sexual characteristics later in this chapter. Each testis receives blood from blood vessels in a spermatic cord. Leading from the end, each testis is a narrow, much coiled tube called the epididymis. The epididymis stores inactive sperms from the testes before they enter the sperm duct. Now we discuss scrotum. The testes lie between the thighs in a pair of pouch-like sacs called the scrotum or scrotal sacs. The scrotal sacs are outside the main body cavity and thus are a lower temperature than the body. This is essential for the sperms to develop properly. Sperms can only develop at a temperature lower than that of the body. Sperm duct. Each sperm duct or vas deferens lobes over a ureter and then opens into the urethra. After sperms are released from a testes, they travel through a sperm duct. The seminal vesicle is a gland that opens into each sperm duct. It stores sperms temporarily before they are released through the urethra. Glands and their secretions. The prostate gland is at the tubes of the urinary bladder where the two sperm ducts join the urethra. Beneath the prostate gland is the corpus glands. The prostate gland, the seminal vesicles, and the corpus gland secrete a slippery fluid which mixes with the sperms. This fluid contains nutrients and enzymes which nourish the sperms and activate them, that is, stimulate them to swim actively. The mixture of fluid and sperms is called semen. Urethra. The urethra is a tube which passes from the bladder through the center of the penis to the outside of the body. Both semen and urine passes out of the body through the urethra. They do not pass through the urethra at the same time. This is because a circular band of muscles called the sphincter muscles at the base of the urinary bladder. The sphincter muscles can be controlled to prevent urine from coming out of the bladder during release of the semen or ejaculations. Penis. The tissue in the penis has numerous spaces that can be filled with blood. When this happens, the penis becomes erect and hard. This allows it to enter the vagina of a woman during sexual intercourse to deposit semen containing serum. Hence, the penis is called erectile organ. It contains erectile tissues. And look at the structures and the last part of the penis, which is most important part of the main reproductive part to enter the sperms into the woman vagina. This structure is called penis. Penis function is intersperm into the vagina, into the ovary of a woman. I hope this lecture is very useful to those learners which are difficult to understand the process, a different structure part of the male reproductive organs. Now we let's see in our next time. See you again. Thank you so much for listening this lecture.